So a few moments back, I went out for a tea and to buy some smokes. So when I came back, the guard from the building misbehaved for the gate. So this misbehavior was organized by the race thing, or the prostitution thing, or the theft thing, or the bank fraud thing, or the one who gave him the cellular, which the location planting he does. Was it that thing? I don't get it. I guess people might find out what it was because he misbehaved in front of people. Now people, what do you call it? Now it's a time, I guess. And this is because of why, because I said copyright goes to the entire country. The one who loot 6,000 people should be punished. And so they made this matter public. I gave the copyrights to the entire public. What more do they want? The one who been using it is, is the culprit who organized this scam, sextortion and prostitution. And the entire country, the what do you call it? The entire public is getting benefits from it. They're catching scammers. They're putting hands on scammers who loot 6,000 people a day. So that's the anger. I don't know what it is. So he misbehaved. I should keep this on record because he misbehaved for on a purpose by the tell of. So it happened in public. Let public find out what it was. Whether it was the prostitutes who organized it, whether it was the race game, or it was the what do you call it, the bank fraud people, or it was the one who transfers phone location on his phone, or whatever the phone is. He has J6. He plants phone location of that. So which was it? Was the real? What's the real reason behind the misbehavior of that guard today in Aqua D?